Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down simultaneously those two keys. That's it, you just capture the screen. You can now also close this picture, and now you can press together power key and volume down one more time and just capture the second screen. Now you can use the second method. You can just swipe down here twice and let's tap the screenshot. Let me show you again, swipe down twice, tap screenshot. Alright, there is also the third way of taking screenshots. Just knock twice on your device. Let me show you. And you just capture screen. Let me show you again, knock twice. And just capture the screen. You can also swipe and you can draw the enclosed area to capture some part of the screen. Let me show you. And you just capture this part of the screen. You can save it if you tap save, or you can just quit it. Let me show you again. Let's just use the enclosed area. You can tap save, and that's it. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with your screenshots, let's open the gallery right here. And here under photos or under albums you can choose the screenshots folder, and you can now share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.